Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Emma Della. Okay, on today's episode I will be showing you guys how to make crochet wig, so stay tuned and let's get into the video. So basically guys, to do this is very easy. As you all can see me doing it right now, it's very easy. All you need to do is to get your crochet pin and your crochet braids. So to begin with, you use your crochet pin, hook it into your wig cap and use it to pull out your mesh. Pull out and make a knot. You pull it out twice. The first one, your crochet pin is going into the cap to pull out the mesh. As you're going to see now, it's going into the cap to pull out the mesh. Yeah, then you pull out the mesh again to make a knot. So basically it's very easy and simple. It's stress-free, and it didn't even take me up to 30 minutes to complete the whole wig. Yeah, it took less than 30 minutes. So what I did was to repeat the procedure until I was done. You can decide to mix your colors just so that your wig can appear much more beautiful. Just turn your wig around to check for empty spaces in between it so that you can add more crochet to make it fuller. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for right now. So here we go. Here it looks scanty. Yeah, so basically just put in your crochet pin, pull out the mesh and pull it out again. Okay, so I will slow it down a bit now so you guys can see it properly. You put in your crochet pin, pull out the mesh and pull it out a second time to make a knot. Okay, so guys, I think everything is filled up now. It's looking good. Let's just go ahead and trim it up, make it look on point. Yeah, so I'm basically removing the excess, the ones looking as if it's not part of the hair. I'm taking them out so that everything can be equal and look better. Yeah, so the appearance is coming out great, but the front part is actually really long, so I think I still have to trim that out. It's still looking a bit long. Okay, I'm taking out the front part now because it's too long. and it would disturb my eye when I use the wig. I really want to make it very short though. I think it's looking good now. It's okay. Yeah. So let me just show you a quick view on how the wig is looking like. Wow, it's a bomb. Look at those curls. I love curly hair, guys. Just that God didn't create me with curly hair. But I really do love curly hair. It's good. The wig came out nice. It's great. I love it. And I hope you guys love this wig too. Tried my best and it's looking good. Don't you feel like wearing this wig right now? It's so nice. I love it. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload any new video. And if you are new to this channel, this is Mordella. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.